Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Now, wow. Long time, Facebook area. Long time, people. On a day. Now, good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'll be so busy. Back from my holiday job, going work back front and back, doing school paperwork. So busy. I can see Facebook is on fire. What is going on? I heard a lot of people are playing audios and the same people playing audios are the same people crying. What's going on? What is going on, people? As you can see, I'm driving to work, so we are not jobless. At the same time, we're playing around Facebook. So I want to know what's going on. Can someone put me through what's going on? Because I'm not, I just go dash in, dash out on Facebook. When I'm less busy with my patients, I just dash in, dash out. Maybe when I finish medication, just dash in, dash out Facebook. I don't know what's going on. I heard someone in London is crying. You know, one thing people don't know, yeah? They think, I'm not in support of anybody. In fact, everyone, we are all human and we are important, we are accountable. But one thing people don't know is that when you feel you want to disgrace someone, yeah, even if what you're doing is right, well, they say too much of everything is bad. Even when what you're doing is right, it turns out to become that person's favor that you are trying to bully or you're trying to disgrace. That's why the Bible says when God will make your enemy at peace. Do you understand? Sometimes people don't know that wishing someone downfall or trying to say, oh, this person, let everybody run from that person, or try to instigate people against that person can turn out to be a greatest blessing for the person you're trying to instigate people to hate. Okay, my question is, what is the use of what they're doing now? That's my question. And secondly, people said Monica is bad, Lolo is bad, or Monica, they joined Lolo to bully Monica according to them. Now, the same Lolo that you guys joined to bully Monica is the same Monica now you guys are running to. I'm not saying you can decide to be someone's friend. Do you understand? That's my question. Why did you guys first join Lolo to bully this one? And now they close this road. And now it's the same person that you guys are running to now. Is this road closed or is someone's house? I'm saying, okay, it's someone's house. You know, it's the same person I'm saying now. I don't want to go through M25. Do you get it? Why doing it now? Why doing it now? Why is it now that you people are doing this, that you're doing? Oh, Monica is the best. Yeah, she can be the best. Everyone has got their own way of being the best. But why now? Because it's the same Monica that you people joined Lolo to bully. Why now you guys running back to Monica's camp? If I were Monica, I'll be wise, because you guys belong to nowhere. The same Mama V now that is misbehaving now, yeah? We all met in the party in London. Yeah? No one wants to recognize with you. You are saying Lolo is bad. Nobody loves Lolo. I'm not trying to defend Lolo. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to defend anyone. But the same Lolo, you can see the show of love that was showered on our Manchester. I can say Lolo have real fans. Real fans. People that really love him. Love her, I mean. People, humans that love her, not ghosts. Because most people that you people think is your fan on Facebook, they are ghost lovers. People that cannot come out openly to say, I'm supporting this person, is my fan. You don't have a fan. If I can say someone is my fan and I cannot openly show that people that this person is my fan, I do not have a fan. Do you understand? But you saying people don't love Lolo, you are deceiving yourself, Mama B. It's just the truth. You are deceiving yourself, because Lolo have real fans on ground, real humans that love her. If it's only that Manchester show alone, people should know that this woman, people actually love her for who she is. Everybody must not be like you. Give people benefit of that. Give people their own domain to expand like the prince or like the king they are. Don't try to make people be you. You can be easily to apologize to people. Some people find it difficult to apologize or to appreciate what people do. Doesn't mean they are unappreciative. Do you understand? It doesn't mean they are unappreciative. Leave them. You cannot tell them what to do. You cannot tell me, oh, do this at this particular time. I might take my time to do it. Doesn't mean I'm bad. I don't know what people define as a bad person. Your weakness might be someone's strength. Someone's weakness might be your strength. If we learn to give people their space and let people be who they are, I think Facebook would be at peace. You fought for me, and you're asking me to do this, and I said I'm not doing it. Doesn't make me a bad person. Doesn't make me an ungrateful person. You fought for me because you think what they are doing to me is bad. But don't expect anything more than that. Do you understand? Don't expect anything more than that for me. I'm not trying to say she's right or she's bad or she's not bad. But what I'm saying is, not because you did this for her, according to you, that you're thinking, oh, if I tell her this, she will do it. Each time, sometimes I'm watching both Monica and everybody, you, Mama B, I always see you call on Lolo's show. You know she's bad. Why are you calling her? Why are you telling her what to do? Why are you telling her, oh, this, that, this. You are old enough to be their mother or their auntie or their elder sister. You should advise them of what use was the record that you guys played, or what use was that. Two people were talking. Me and my friend can be quarreling tomorrow. You don't expect me to talk sweet words about that friend. If you say Melissa or whatever her name is was talking bad of Lolo, at that time, they were not in good terms. So Melissa can say anything, or Melissa, what her name is. She can say anything. Do you understand it? It doesn't make Melissa a bad person. It's how she feels about Lolo at that particular time. It's what she feels. It's what she heard. She judged with what she heard, and she felt that, oh, this person is ungrateful. Everybody has got a moment of thinking. So she has to reevaluate, and she found out that, no, this person is not as bad as I thought. I just have to forgive. Nobody that cannot forgive anyone. So don't say people are bad, Lolo is bad, people don't know her, I took her from the pit. The Bible says, the Lord says, I shared my glory with no one. It's like you're taking the credit of what you have done. At that particular time, God might raise you to fight for the Lolo because he's helpless. She's helpless. So do not take the glory. By the time you start taking the glory, what will be your portion will be disgraced. So leave her. You've done your best. Let your best speak for you. That's one thing I don't understand about you people, that this black African thing in Facebook, where you do something for people, you expect that person to lick your feet all the days of their lives. Do you understand? I think which many people didn't come into this Facebook saga with Monica and Lolo, by now they would have settled their differences. You people were looking for her to beat Monica, and you use Lolo's case and antagonize Monica. It doesn't mean, it doesn't stand, or it doesn't show that because you love Lolo, that was why you did it. It shows that because you hate Monica, you were looking for an avenue to insult her, so you found the best avenue or the best market to trade on, and you traded with your coin, and you made profit out of it. Now that your profit is no more, you are looking for another place, which is Lolo's case now, to trade on your coin, to make another profit, to dance to Monica's tune. Do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? So don't do that. If once you're starting doing that, you think you are disgracing the other person, and at the same time disgracing yourself, showing people what color you are made of, that you are a chameleon. Whatever color you see, you turn to. So if you, chameleons are very difficult to, you know, to record with, or to how will I put this in English, to showcase who they are, because today they are this, tomorrow they are that. You don't even know if they are in your house. When you have a brown carpet, they become brown. When you have green, they become green. So you don't know how to go and attack or kill the chameleon. Now you are bringing your children's picture out on Facebook. That your in-law, I know him very well. Do not let people bully that man because he's nice. Do not let people bully that man for nothing's sake, for your stupidity on Facebook. So I wonder why your daughter is not calling you to order. If it's me, I will call my mom to order, because I don't want people to bully my husband because of my mom's stupidity. You've been fooling yourself on Facebook, fooling your children, fooling your in-laws, and you're saying you do. What are you doing on Facebook? You work. You are a domestic staff for NHS. Why don't you focus on your work? Why are you doing this? It's not, you know, you want to bring your children's picture out for you to be wishing them happy birthday. You see why I said this Facebook presenter, whatever you could call yourself, you're living in bondage. Because I'm not a presenter. I see people sending me rubbish. I'm not a presenter. Don't send me friends request. Don't send me nothing. Do you understand? Why are you doing things that you are not proud of? Why are you doing things that you cannot, you know, say, recognize yourself with? You are the one behind this quarrel between Lolo, Melissa, whatever the other party's name are. Leave them, let them settle their differences. You are too old for this. Leave them, let them settle their differences. If you don't have anywhere to make friendship, or you don't have anywhere to gossip, go in front of your mirror, start talking to the mirror. You are in your house, nobody will understand what you're doing. You're just trying to vest everything out of your belly. Leave these people, they are younger generation. Don't come and spoil them. Don't come and put hatred in them. Let them be. Let them settle their differences. You cannot tell me today, tell me how many of your friends that you be quarreling with, that you are saying sweet words about. Do you understand? Even if they are your sisters, by the time you start having differences or grudge against them, you will not say good words about them. So when, I think 3 days ago, you were playing the one of Melissa saying, Lolo is this, Lolo is that. I just laughed. I said, this is childish, because at that time, they were doing this conversation with you or with whoever. They were not in good terms. So I see people say, hey, karma is a bitch. That's not karma. Do you know what karma is? Karma is a bitch. Now people know her for who she is. No. I see people say, oh, Monica is this, is that. No, it's her personality. Everyone has got different temperament. Everyone has got different personality. You cannot expect me. I'm a very hard-spoken person. You cannot expect my sister to be like me. Or you cannot expect my friends to be like me. That's why I respect people, differences, whoever they are. If you show me you're my friend, yeah, I follow you like that. But by the time I start saying that you are not who I think you are, I'm out. Do you get it? I've missed my way. I'm out. I don't know why people don't let people be who they are. You know, you that is just human, you are boasting to say you want to put person back to her peace. My dear Mama B, forget those things. Because by the time you start instigating people to come and fight Lolo, God will stand for her. Because Bible says, I'm helper to the helpless. God will show forth for Lolo. It will not be as you are thinking it will be. Before you know it, Lolo will be having more support, more friends, more people to fight for her. Then you will not be thinking, how come? How did she do it? What happened? No, at that particular time that you were busy planning to do her evil, God is busy planning to set another person up to fight for Lolo. Do you get it? So let's forget this little misunderstanding and just let things go on. Life goes on, everything go on, and we all will be friends again. But coming on Facebook now to say, I want to bring out my children's picture, I want to do this, I want to do that, to me, it's late. It's late. Don't do it. Because once you do it, you are giving them room to bully your children, to bully those innocent kids, your grandchildren. That's why people don't attach importance to things. People don't attach importance to things. You just do things anyhow. You just do things that comes to your mind. If you really love your child, as you are claiming, you won't let people bully her. If people are telling you stop or we do this, you will take that pain and say, okay, because for the sake of my children, I'm going to stop this. People do nonsense on your children's face on Facebook. What would that give you? For you to know that you are popular. Do you get it? No need for this. No need for you to do this. To me, no need. I don't know if maybe there's a need with you. To me, there's no need for you to do this. Just forget this whole thing. Let it go. Let it slide. Leave them. Their peers, they know how to settle their differences. If they want to say Lolo is bad, it will only last for 1 month, 2 months, and the whole thing is back to normal. If Lolo is bad, let everybody stay their lane. Let Lolo stay her lane. Let her continue with her bad ways. Maybe one day she will get an angel on the way that will change her. So you don't come to change her. She doesn't want your changing. She doesn't want your friendship. Neither the rest people want her friendship. Let's learn to be on our stay on our lanes and be ourselves. That's what I know. I don't know, maybe there's another thing that people want to add to it, but to me, there's no point you mama being doing all this. There's no point. Let it go, let it slide, and just let your family have peace. Because I know that when your daughter is seeing all this on Facebook, she will not be happy. She will be angry with you as a mother. You will not have rest of mind. I can see that you are very restless since you started this whole thing. I can see you're restless. So let it go, let it slide, and have your peace. People pushing you, or with I don't think anyone is pushing anyone. It's just your kind of person. Or people asking you to come and do this, or you want to show you are this, you that. To me, it doesn't make sense. If you think, oh, they are ganging up against me to do this, or whatever they promise you, to me, it will only last for a while, and it's your family that will suffer the bullying. And people bullying people on Facebook is not right. It's not nice. Facebook is a social gathering whereby you meet your old friends. You haven't seen your colleagues for long. Maybe you guys left school. Since you left school for more than 13 years, because there are some of my friends now that I'm seeing on Facebook that I haven't seen for like 15 years. That's what Facebook live video is all about. Not like coming to bully people that are helpless. It's not nice. If people know what bullying can cause, you won't do it. You won't do it. It's because we are Africans. We don't mind. That's why if you bully a white person or white kids, they will end up in a mental health hospital. They will start having depression, personality disorder for what bully is doing. So people, let's stop this that we are doing. Let's stop it. This one tell me story, I came from Facebook to say it. This one tell me story, I came on Facebook. It doesn't make sense. There are other things that we can do on Facebook. There are other shows that we can make on Facebook. You can do, what's it called, jokes on Facebook, and people will come and watch you. You still make your money. You will still make your money, honestly. You don't have to bully people to make money. Bully people on Facebook for you to make money. You don't have to. Do you understand? Your innocent daughter, she's there. She's not doing she's not into this Facebook thing. You drew her to this Facebook, what do you call it, saga. All you are bringing out her pictures now. You are bringing out your grandchildren's picture. Does it worth it? I so much cherish my children. If someone go and bring my children's picture on Facebook and start bullying them, I as a mother will not have peace. I won't love it. I won't be happy with it, because I know that it's my stupidity or it's me, my negligence that has cost me this. I will not like it, because you can't fight them back. You caused it for your children. But if I staying on my lane or talking like this, and someone go on my Facebook and go and bring my children, my family's picture, and I know the person, yeah, I can sue the person and I will make hell out of it, because I didn't give you the right to do it. I was making my video. I didn't call your name on it. I didn't do anything directly to bully you, and you bully my children, you bully my husband, you bully my family, and I know you. I can sue you and I will make a lot of it. Yes, I can. But if I'm bullying you, I'm talking about you on Facebook, and you bully my children or bully my husband, I can't do nothing. Even if I take it to lawyers will tell me you can't do nothing, because there was a video or there was an evidence that this person, you have once gone to bully them. There's an evidence to that. So what can I do? Nothing. Don't get away. What can I do? Nothing. So I've tested what I'm dishing out. So let's stop this, please, people. Let's stop this. If you think this person is bad, leave them. Leave them on their own. You do your own good. Do you understand? You cannot force me to be good as you are. Depend on what you are defining as good, because I don't see what you are doing now. Mama B, is you I'm talking to. I don't see what you are doing now as a motherly thing. If children or whatever you call them record someone to come and give to you, as a mother, you tell them, what was the use of you recording this thing? Because this thing was not meant for you to be recorded. You guys were having conversation, and nobody that you're quarreling with, that you will say sweet words about them. Oh, well, you don't know her, she's this, she's that. Oh, Lolo is this, she's that. No, Lolo can be your sister, Lolo can be your daughter. Will you sit down there and see people bullying her or saying things about her, even if she's actually doing it? It's for you as a mother to call her indoor and say, my daughter, leave this that you are doing is wrong. If she doesn't appreciate people that did things for her, leave her. Leave her. It's a way of showing. My way of showing appreciation can be different from your way of you showing your appreciation. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that we'll have to show it the same way, or come on Facebook, start mentioning people's name, channeling it down, start doing this, start doing that. No, some people show their appreciation by even just smiling, looking at you directly, or stare at your face. Do you understand? That's a way of the person showing appreciation. Take it for face value. Take it and just let it go. It's not you know that Lolo didn't show appreciation. It's not you know that Lolo is a bad person. But you were busy calling into our show, telling her what to do to her friend, telling her, showing her how to deal with our friend gone wrong. That to show that you two are bad, because you were the one that didn't let the whole thing go. You didn't let it slide. Well, that's my little take, because I know when you talk to some people, they don't have a way of, let's say, what she's saying, let me really evaluate it. People don't evaluate things. They just say, hey, let her get a little fence. No, I'm not. It's not that. Yeah, she can be who I love. She can be who I want to see. I can sit down and listen to her voice, because her voice is calm. It doesn't mean she's saying. Sometimes she can be saying some things that is not right, but the tone she's saying it makes you want to sit down there and listen. Why other people think they're saying the right thing, but the voice or the tone they're using to say it makes you want to puke. You don't want to listen. You don't want to even go there. So I would say, Mama B, let it slide, let it go. It's not your thing. It has nothing to do with you. They recorded each other. At that time, they were not in good terms. Let it go. I don't see why you want to make this a priority, or why you want to make this a very important thing. To me, it's useless. We were talking at the same time. At that time, we were not in good terms. We're not in friendship. I can say anything. I can say, oh, my friend, you don't know her. She's that, she's this, she's that. Because I can backbite her, because we're not in good things. By the time we realize each other, we come back to say, oh, we are sorry. And you start playing what we said before, back then, it makes you look stupid, because the Melissa that you people are saying is bad now has become Lolo's friend. So who is now the stupid one on Facebook? Let peace reign. If you like, you take it. If you like, you don't take it. But I don't see the reason why they want to bully your family because of your stupidity. Let it go. Value your children. Value your son-in-law. Value your grandchildren. And just let this whole thing slide. Let it slide. Because the people you are thinking now that is doing it might not be the people that are doing it. Might not be the same person. Because I know that you are thinking, you are saying it's Lolo. It might not be Lolo. It might not be Lolo. That's why when you people say you are swearing, you are doing this, you are doing that, I laugh, because there are lots of thousands of people watching Facebook that will say, oh, this person, I don't like the way she's or he's doing this. I want to show that person, and start digging out things about you and start putting it on Facebook. You'll be thinking it's that person that you are having a fight with. So let it go, Mama B. It's just a peace talk. Let it go. You are too big for what you're doing. Face your life. Face your grandchildren. Face your domestic NHS work. And just let this whole thing go. People are calling you now, pushing you to say, hey, bring those things out. Bring your children's picture out. Bring them out. It's a lie. They want more picture, more evidence to do you what they want to do you. That's why I said, you people on Facebook, you are not smart. You are not smart. If I'm saying things and people are telling me, oh, do this, do that. No, you go and do it. Don't send me to do it. You do it. Bring out your children's picture. You bring out your own children's picture. Because your children's picture are not on Facebook. Why are you telling me to bring it out? And what is there if you put your family's picture on Facebook? There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Even the worst families, they are on Facebook. The most ugliest family are on Facebook. If you have the pretty children, the pretty family, why not put them on Facebook? You can put things on Facebook and lock it up.
LBC Travel, I'm Anne-Marie Walsh, the M4.
Shut up. Do you understand? You can put things on Facebook. Facebook is like archive. You know, when you have gold that is worth millions, you go and open an account and put it. That's how Facebook is. You can put your memories there and lock it up. But because of you people foolishness, people are hiding things, not being free, going into people's inboxes and start bullying them, telling them, oh, if you don't do this, we'll do this to you. Does it make sense? Let people be free for once. Let them do what they want. That's how the Facebook will be interesting. Not telling people to follow one particular party. It becomes boring. If you want to say, oh, if you don't be Monica's friend, if you don't be Lolo's friend, we'll bully you, and people are rushing to one particular person, Facebook will be boring. Before you know it, give it time, and everyone will log out of Facebook because it will be boring. It's not what you're saying I want to listen to. It's not what you're doing I would like to learn from. Everybody brings out their own ingredients. That makes life goes on. That makes the soup interesting or being tasty for people to eat. You put different ingredients in your soup or in your dish for it to be nice. Don't tell me to be using one particular ingredient at the same time it looks like I'm tired of this food. Let people be who they are, and let people support who they want to support. It's not a force to be in one camp. You don't bully people to be in one camp. That's what I don't understand. Please, people, let this whole thing. I'm tired of opening Facebook every day, seeing different fights. Either this, today, Mama B, you're reigning. Tomorrow will be your turn. The ball can turn. The table can turn. And you will be the next person. Because your own dish is loading too. The same voice that you have used to gossip this same Lolo is loading too. So just forget it. There's nobody that don't gossip. Once you start saying things about someone, you're gossiping. It doesn't mean that he has to be right or wrong all the time. You can gossip good about person. Oh, look at this person. I love her shoe. You're gossiping because you didn't say it in that person's ear. You're just gisting with your friend about that particular friend. You are gossiping her. It might be good gossip. It might be wrong gossip. So you two have said something about Monica to Lolo. And if Lolo plays it, where will you put your face? And you two have said something about Melita to someone else that is ready to play it too. So let it go. Let it go. Let it go. That's my little take. Oh, me, I'm at work. I just entered my work. If you can see my entrance, that's my hospital. I'm going to work. You see, I'm going to work. I'm not jobless. I have the work I earn. So people should please, everyone must not be in the same camp. There are some people that want to be in the educational system camp. Let them be. Don't tell them, don't follow this person. You don't have control over them. You don't pay their bills. Even if you pay their bills, let them be. Let them be. Let them choose who they want to choose. That's why it's called freedom of speech. Do you understand? Don't cajole people into what you believe. Don't cajole people into what you believe. Oh, this car park is filled up. Damn it. You understand? Don't cajole people to believe what you believe. Are you going? Okay, thank you. Don't cajole people to say, if you don't do this, I'll bully you. I'll show you picture. If you don't support this person, no, that's not right. That's not nice, people. Let's change. Let's change. Let's change. All right. I'm in my work. This is my work. I hope people are seeing it. Okay. See you all in bye-bye.